Hello guys, welcome to the series of Dart programming language tutorial. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn Dart's nested if-else statement as a part of Dart's control flow statement. So let's get started. If we have a number of conditions, then we should go for nested if-else statements. So here we have syntax for the same. If, then we have condition 1, then we have a block of if, then we have else if condition 2, then we have a block of statements, then again we have condition n of else if, and then we have statements of this else if block. Otherwise we have else block, then we have statements for else block. So this statement is used to handle multiple conditions. If any one condition out of a number of conditions gets satisfied, then that's block of statements will be executed and the rest of the blocks will be ignored. And if none of the conditions get satisfied, then simply else block will be executed. So let's understand the flow diagram of nested if else statement. So when we run our program, so it will go inside the condition 1 of if block, and if the condition of this block is false, so it will simply go inside the condition 2 of else if block, and if the condition of this block is also false, so it will go inside the condition of n of else if block. So if this is also false, so our statements of else block will be executed and our program will be terminated. And suppose if the condition 1 of if block is true, then simply statements of if block will be executed, then our program will be terminated. And if the condition 1 of if block is false but the condition 2 of else if block is true, so the statements of this particular block will be executed, then our program will be terminated. And suppose in case of condition 1 of if block is false and then condition 2 of else if block is false and condition n of else block is true, so the statements of this particular block will be executed, then our program will be terminated. Let's understand it with the help of one example. So let's write a program to find out the passing class of a student. So here I have written a code to take the input from the user. So let's come to our logic now. If marks is greater than 75, so we are printing here you have passed with first class. Then we have else if marks is greater than 65, then simply we are printing you have passed with second class. So let's copy this. So here we have else if again, if the marks is greater than 55, so we are writing here you have passed with the third class. We can have n number of else if statements, so that is enough for now. So let's have a else block. So inside that we will have one printing statement, that is you have passed with fourth class. So that's it. Now let's run this program. So dart nested if else. Let's press enter button. So it's asking enter your marks, so I'm putting it here 88. So see, it's giving you have passed with first class. So it will go inside this if block, it will check that marks is greater than 75. We are giving 88, so it's greater than 75, so it's simply printing the statements of this if block. So here we have written you have passed with the first class. So the output is you have passed with first class. So now rest of all the blocks are ignored. So let's run it again with different marks. Now running it again, I am giving some 33. I am pressing enter button. You have passed with fourth class. So let's dry run it. So I am giving here 33. So it's going inside this. It's coming in this block is greater than 75. So no, it's not true. So it's ignoring this block. Now it's coming inside else if block. It's checking marks is greater than 65. No, as it's 33, it's not greater than 65. So let's jump into this else if block. Now here it's checking that marks is greater than 55. 33 is not greater than 55. So it's ignoring this block also. Now simply it will come to else block and will print this statement. So here we are getting you have passed with fourth class. So that's it for nested if else statement. So please find the GitHub link for this example in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.